water in the king valve to keep them cool. We are going to wrap it as well. Alright, so we're going to come back out and do the suction line after we braze inside so that our connections are solid and we do have nitrogen on the suction line out here. We are about to braze the lines inside to the A-coil, these two fittings right here. Alright, we're going to braze our last fitting now. Now once it cools down, we're going to pressurize it and make sure it holds nitrogen. I'm going to put nitrogen pressure in there to about 200 psi, and we're going to let that sit for about 15 minutes and make sure it holds pressure.